In this video, I will show you how you can use a memory card with your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now, unfortunately, both the Galaxy A37 and the A57 does not have a micro SD card slot in the SIM card tray. You can only use two SIM cards with this phone, and you cannot add a micro SD card. But if you want to use or access your micro SD card with your Samsung phone, then there is a way to do that. For that, you will need a connector. Specifically, you will need a USB Type-C to a micro SD card connector. As you can see, the connector I have over here not only supports micro SD card, but it also has a full-sized SD card slot. So even if you have a full-sized SD card and if you want to access it with your Samsung phone, you can do that using this connector. But for this video, I will show you how you can do that using the micro SD card. But the process is the same even if you want to use the full-sized SD card. Now to do that, first of all, just grab your micro SD card or your SD card and insert it into the SD card slot. After you insert your micro SD card into this slot, the next step is just plug the USB Type-C end into your phone. And after you've done that, now if you open the app drawer, and from here just open the My Files app. Now on this page, just scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now under external storage, you will find the option for USB storage 1. And as you can see, from here you can access your micro SD card or your SD card using your Samsung phone. And the process is the same even if you want to use a full-sized SD card. Just insert the SD card into the SD card slot, and you will be able to access your SD card using your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.